how to start affiliate marketing in 2023 on a low to no budget. Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and if we haven't met before, thank you so much for tuning in. Today, we're diving into the game-changing topic of how to get started in affiliate marketing in 2023 on a low to no budget. For those of you who want to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey without emptying our pockets. Get ready to launch into the world of affiliate marketing with my step-by-step guide that won't break the bank, because guess what? Getting started is 100% free, and it gives you the chance to really dial in the details before you waste valuable time and money on things you just don't need. Step one, identifying your niche and problem solve. So let's start at the very beginning. Successful affiliate marketing is all about solving problems. Find a niche where you can offer valuable solutions. When you focus on helping others, the rewards follow naturally. Many times, this is something you already love, and it could even be a hobby. I have a friend who created a business to help people pick out art for their home on a budget because she really loved art and buying art. So now she helps other people do it. Step two, define your target market and your value proposition. Ask yourself, who are you helping and how are you helping them? It's time to pinpoint your target audience and your unique value proposition. Think about products you already use and you already love. Can you be an affiliate for these products? Remember, the key is aligning with products that you genuinely love that solve your audience's problem. But don't get too caught up in this process and trying to find that product now. Many times the product will naturally find you when you know what problem you want to solve. Step three, establish your online presence. Now let's talk about visibility. Social media is your secret weapon. Choose a platform where your target audience is already hanging out. There are tons of statistics on all the different platforms. Don't get stuck and overwhelmed. Just pick one. More likely than not, your audience is already there. And if you're really stuck on this point, just drop a comment and let me know. Let me know what it is that you do, what problem that you solve, and I can give you an idea where I think might be best for you to show up. I also created a guide that can guide you through this process so you get started by choosing just one place. I'll share that guide in the show notes, so be sure to check it out when you're done watching this video. And remember, by sharing your insights and solutions, you'll start building connections and trust. It's all about that know, like, and trust factor. Now, let's craft a social media strategy. What's the old saying? If you fail to plan, you plan to fail, right? So you need to create a plan for your social media. Planning is key. Craft a social media strategy that works for you, your budget, and your time. Consistency will be king. By showing up regularly and engaging authentically, you'll build a loyal following. And if you need help coming up with a plan, check out that resource in the show notes and see how easy it is to create a plan on your terms that works for you. There are no rules here other than showing up and being consistent. You get to decide how often that is. You want to grow fast? Post more often. But whatever you do, be sure to be consistent. Don't post and ghost or post and pray. I've seen way too many people go out strong out of the gate and then disappear because they're not seeing huge growth. It takes time. Set a pace that you can keep and find the tools that can help you. There are tons, and many of them are free. Not sure what I mean by tools? Comment below and I'll give you a few ideas of some low budget or free options to get you started. Now the fun starts. Content creation and building trust. Now it's time to start creating and posting content before we even start selling or even know what product we may be selling. Before you even think about that, let's focus on building trust. Create value-packed content that showcases your expertise and helps your audience solve that problem we talked about up there in step one. When you're ready to promote, remember, be strategic. Promote without being pushy. And here's a golden tip. Don't share your affiliate link. Start capturing your audience's information. It's a game changer for building those long-term relationships. I'll be sharing more on how to capture that information in later episodes. But just remember, the magic is in the email list. Just don't get caught up on that too soon and don't even worry about it right now. Focus on your message and your content first. An engaged audience is the foundation for a powerful email list down the line. Now you're ready to get started. That's right, $0 invested so far. So spend your first 14 days on your message and your content, using this time to refine your message and consistently deliver valuable content. Building a strong foundation now will set you up for affiliate marketing success. And there you have it, how to get started in affiliate marketing. By solving problems, defining your audience, establishing your online presence, and creating valuable content, you're ready to start your journey. Remember, affiliate marketing doesn't have to cost you a lot. It's about delivering value. So get out there, take action, and watch your affiliate marketing endeavors take flight. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips to help you thrive in the world of online business. Thanks for watching. Let's create something amazing together. Catch you on the next video. See you later.